The state health department adds over the past month there were increases in hospital admissions among most age groups under 50, and more than 20% of inpatient hospital beds are currently occupied by people with COVID. Now, hospitals and healthcare workers have been struggling since the beginning of the pandemic. And tonight, TV5's James Felton is taking us behind closed doors inside one local hospital's COVID floor.
I don't think the public really knows. They're not exposed to it up here like we are.
Registered nurse Macy DeGroff works in the COVID intensive care unit at Covenant Healthcare in Saginaw. This 7th floor hallway is where you'll find COVID patients clinging to life. 5 people have died here in the past week. As you can imagine, DeGroff says all the deaths are difficult on her, but there was one that stuck out.
I had him for a month, and you get very, very close with the family. This week, they had passed away, and it kind of hit home. It was pretty hard.
DeGroff tells me some of her patients were home for Thanksgiving, enjoying time with their loved ones. Now, a few weeks later, they're in a much different place. The majority of people she cares for are unvaccinated. DeGroff recalls many stories of regret.
When we're getting ready to intubate a patient, we always place a FaceTime to their family so they can say hi to their family, possibly for the last time. But a lot of them we ask, do you wish you would have gotten vaccinated? Or they just blurt out, I wish I would have done it. I wish I would have gotten vaccinated.
The COVID ICU is littered with well wishes from the community. And while DeGroff appreciates the kind gestures, she really wants everyone to do their part.
Get vaccinated. Wear your mask. If you know you're feeling sick, don't go around your family. Don't go to the grocery store. Try and protect your loved ones and just try and stay healthy.
DeGroff acknowledges that there are people who won't do what she asks, but if they end up here, she'll do everything she can to save their lives.
We know after the holidays there's probably going to be a spike again, but we're ready for it.
Reporting in Saginaw, James Felton, WNEM TV5.
Michigan's COVID case positivity rate has decreased but remains relatively high at 16.2%.